In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your Calendly link to LinkedIn using the official integration so you can book meetings directly from your LinkedIn messages. We'll start inside Calendly. Go ahead and open your Calendly home dashboard in your browser and make sure you're logged into the account where your main meeting types are set up. This is your central hub where all your events and availability live. Keeping this open and active will make the integration process much smoother. From your Calendly dashboard, look for the option called Integrations and Apps. It's usually in the main navigation or settings area. Click on that. This section is where Calendly connects with other tools you use, and it's exactly where we'll find the LinkedIn option. Once the integrations page loads, scroll until you see LinkedIn messaging. Click on LinkedIn messaging. This integration doesn't change your LinkedIn profile itself. Instead, it enhances your messaging experience by letting you instantly drop your scheduling links into conversations. On the LinkedIn integration page, you'll see a button that says Download for Chrome. Go ahead and click that. This will take you to the Chrome Web Store page for the official Calendly extension that works with LinkedIn. Make sure you're using the Chrome browser for this process, since this extension is built specifically for Chrome. On the Chrome Web Store page, click on Add to Chrome. A small confirmation pop-up will appear, asking if you want to add this extension. Confirm by clicking Add Extension. Chrome will download and install it in the background. After a few seconds, you should see a confirmation message, and the Calendly icon may appear in the extensions area next to your address bar. Now, click on the extension icon if it doesn't open automatically, and choose Sign In. This will prompt you to log into your Calendly account, or it may recognize the account you already have open. Sign in with the same account you used on your dashboard so your event types and availability sync correctly. Once you're signed in, the integration is active. From now on, when you're messaging on LinkedIn, you'll be able to access your Calendly links directly within the messaging window. You can quickly drop in a scheduling link that reflects your real-time availability, making it easy for people to book appointments without going back and forth. And that's it. You haven't created a direct LinkedIn profile button. Instead, you've enabled a smarter way to schedule meetings right inside LinkedIn conversations.